You know, some days I forget that I have Femora that has a camera in it. Yeah, I really do. Let me hook this up better. But anyways, guys, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Okay, guys, so I got the jelly stamper from Analogy. This was the shrinker stamper. They don't have the set, so that is what I did. I got that going. And I also got this. It does come with a scraper, so just FYI. They're little Maniology scrapers. I like the ones that are a little stiffer, but I can work with these. And I got this one. This is Maniology plate M0052. And then I got something from Planner Sassy Co. We got this adorable pen. It comes in this beautiful black bag, this little nib. All right, so all of her her kits come with numbers, like date dots. Date dots. This is some glitter headers that you order separately. This one I think is for one of the kits. And this one is for the foodie kit. I know that. And this one is for the April showers kit. Yeah. So she sent me also this kit. This is the date dots that I was talking to you about. I'll share with you guys this in a minute. She sent me this adorable kit, which I absolutely love. It also comes with this as well. Sorry, I have other stuff that... This is to put over the glitter headers or washi to make it more decorative. And here's the deco stickers. This is the kit. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a small little kit. This was when she did her sale. And I missed it. So thank you, Emma, from the bottom of my heart for sending me that. That was really sweet of you. The glitter headers, you have to order with the kit, but you can order them separately. I wasn't paying attention. I was doing a million things at one time. So anyway, so here is some of the other stuff that I ordered. Like Happy Meal stickers, Lazy Day stickers. This is like canceled or whatever, you know, over it. We got silverware for like dinners, lunches, and these cute little emojis that I thought they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. Just realized that. I was like, wait a minute, I did order 2 of those. All right, so that is that. Let's get into the kit. And I will share with you also what I got from Sugar Pop Fizz. So let's get into more kits. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, stunning. I love the colors. I am so torn between her cute little penguins and this emojis. I love the way they look. Weekend banner. Love her new weekend banner. So yeah, so yeah. And then this is the fruity kit. Super, super duper cute. Comes with everything you need pretty much to this is the penguins. This is what I was talking to you guys about. Here's another beautiful kit for spring. Very pastel-y. I think also could be used for Mother's Day or whatever, you know, for May. And here's another spring summer kit that I got. And that is that. Here we go. Last page. So these are 3 different kits that I got from her. And the extra one, which is very sweet of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me move this over to the side and share with you what I got from Sugar Pop Fizz. So she sent me these cute, adorable freebies. This is her information. This is cute little not rainbow, butterfly. And so we got these cute little things. This is the March freebie and this is the April freebie. So love the butterflies. All right, so I got a monthly kit from her. I got some school stickers. No school stickers, excuse me, and school stickers. I do know that. Alrighty. So yeah, that's her school stickers and no school stickers. Sorry, I mixed it all up. That was my fault. I got a monthly kit. All right, so I have to brag about this because this I love this function. I love the fact that she gives you a Monday start. I love the fact that she gives you the opportunity to have a functional or decorative sidebar. That is amazing. Like, I love, hands down, I love that. I love when monthlies do that. That is like one of my favorite. If you want me as a customer, that is something I can honestly tell you that draws me in. Whether it's very functional because she still has other stickers that you can make functional. Monday start for the top. She gives you date dots. I love when a company does that, so I don't have to go searching around for that. Here we go, more functional and decorative items there. You can use these for like your monthly, you know, whatever, or sidebar. You can use these for like these long washi strips. You can use them for what else? I've heard people use them as like, not weekend, or long weekend, or holiday, not holiday, vacation. And here is more functional slash deco, more functional slash deco, a lot of cool stuff. So this is page 3, 2, 1 sidebar, and you get your big dots. Like, what? And this I'm using for me because May the 4th be with you. This was our February one, but I decided I have a other one is more like the light side, and I decided to do the dark side. So that is something that I thought was really, really cute. So I figured I would use this for my A5 planner, the one that I'm calling Luna, and not the Luna, Estrella, which is the darker one. The big, oh my goodness, what is that name? Black with silver hardware, and then the white one I'm calling Luna, and she is white with silver hardware. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for joining me. I know I was rambling on and on and on. I will get to my planner stuff next time, and alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and bye for now.